Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube memberships feature. YouTube channel memberships in 2026 allows viewers to support their favorite creators through monthly payments in exchange for exclusive content, badges, and emojis. Now, for viewers, all you have to do is find the join button. First of all, head to your favorite creators page. Now, once you head to your creators page, go ahead and find the join button. However, it is not shown in mine because I have yet to buy a premium in YouTube, but it should be available in yours. Now, if you have this, you should be able to select a membership tier option. Now, once you select a specific membership tier based on the monthly price and exclusive perks offered by the creator, follow the prompts to enter your payment information, then confirm the purchase. And once you do so, you should be able to find exclusive members only videos, live streams, and community posts under the membership or post tabs on the creator's channel page. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.